I wonder if there's anything I can do to get former District Judge Jeff Fletcher to admit that he was using his position as a judge to illegally take children away from parents and give them to someone else for money. As in child trafficking. As in he was selling children to the highest bidder. Well, I guess we could give his dumb ass a microphone and get someone to ask him a fucking question and see where he goes from there.
Of young people and old people, and you know, when you've done this for as long as I have, you get to a point where you can kind of smell rat when it's around, and when things just don't add up. I paid special attention when it had to do with children and the elderly, because and anybody else that wasn't able to protect themselves. We have a responsibility as a society. I certainly have a responsibility as a district judge to protect people from injustice. And I took an oath, and that oath means something to me, and it meant something to me.
First of all, that oath that he took was an oath where he swore to uphold the Constitution and nothing else.
I told you earlier, I regret one decision I made. And there's been some rumor, actually it's not rumor, it's been, Cole's brought it up. When I was on the bench, I got, just so you'll know, I got reprimanded by the Texas Judicial Commission. I sure did. It was public reprimand. I can tell you the facts about it, and I'll do it again.
No, you won't.
Drug-induced mother that I had awarded custody of her 18-month-old little girl.
That little girl was 4 years old, not 18 months.
To the little girl's grandmother.
You never awarded custody to the girl's grandmother. She really had nothing to do with the whole shit. He's just making that shit up.
Daughter's on drugs, bad. Daughter came and took the child from the mother. And
that's another lie.
And we had to get the authorities to get the child back, take it back to the grandmother where it was ordered to be.
That's another lie.
Ordered him to court. Due process says you have a contempt hearing, you have a right to due process, you have a right to defend yourself in your actions. I didn't give her that.
Yes, that's what due process is, and you did not give her that. Thanks for admitting that.
Because I was scared to death that she was going to do something to harm that child. So I put her in jail right then and left her there for a few days and let her think about it so I could get the child squared away.
And no, he's lying about even that. The mother never spent a minute in jail. He signed 2 illegal arrest warrants to have the mother arrested, but nobody ever enforced them because they knew it was bullshit and he couldn't do it.
And I got in trouble. Would I do it again? You're dang right I would.
Yeah,
because I wasn't worried about that. I was worried about that baby.
You made that one difficult. You know, my thing is, to start with, I would never want to be a lawyer because I wouldn't want that reputation. If I had to be a judge, I sure in heck wouldn't violate the Constitution of the United States.
Goddamn right. There you go, bro.
And I'm just going to use what.
Not only did Jeff Fletcher sit there and admit to fucking up by doing illegal shit while he was a district judge, he tried to make it like it was something to be proud of and said, yeah, I'll do it again if given the chance. Where in the hell is law enforcement, the Texas Rangers, the FBI, on that shit? He's admitting what the fuck he did.